Welcome to the channel. Today's video covers a silent but serious issue that often gets overlooked: iodine deficiency. This trace mineral might not seem like a big deal, but your body depends on it for critical functions like thyroid hormone production, metabolic regulation, brain function, and reproductive health. Unfortunately, millions of people suffer from iodine deficiency without realizing it. In this video, we'll walk through the 7 major warning signs of iodine deficiency you shouldn't ignore. These signs can affect everything from your energy and weight to your mood and memory. Stick around for all 7, plus a bonus section on how to fix or prevent iodine deficiency naturally. If you're ready to learn something that could change your health for the better, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. 1. Constant fatigue and low energy. Do you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Does your energy crash halfway through the day no matter what you eat? This constant fatigue might be more than lifestyle stress. It could be a red flag of iodine deficiency. Iodine helps your thyroid produce hormones that regulate energy use. Without enough, your metabolism slows down, making you feel drained and sluggish. You might find yourself napping more often, struggling to stay focused at work, or needing multiple cups of coffee just to stay functional. It's especially important to notice this when it happens alongside other signs like mood swings or weight changes. If your body isn't converting food into energy efficiently, iodine may be the missing link. Keeping a daily journal of your energy levels, meals, and sleep can help spot patterns and help your doctor investigate further. 2. Unexplained weight gain. Let's talk about weight. If you're gaining pounds without changing your eating habits or lifestyle, it could be more than just aging or stress. It might be tied to your thyroid's sluggish performance due to low iodine levels. When iodine is lacking, your thyroid slows down, meaning your metabolism burns fewer calories, even at rest. That unused energy gets stored as fat, especially around your belly, hips, and thighs. You might also notice bloating, puffiness, or an overall heavier feeling. And the frustrating part? Cutting calories or exercising more might not help unless your thyroid hormones are balanced. To combat this, you need to address the root cause, restoring iodine to optimal levels so your metabolism functions efficiently. Start by checking your salt. Is it iodized? Include iodine-rich foods in your meals and get tested if weight gain becomes persistent and unexplained. 3rd, sensitivity to cold or feeling cold frequently. Do you find yourself reaching for a sweater when everyone else is fine? Feeling cold all the time might not just be your personal preference. It can be a warning sign that your internal temperature regulation is off. This is directly linked to your thyroid hormones, which are fueled by iodine. When you're deficient, your metabolism slows, and your body produces less heat as a result. You may feel chilled in your fingers, toes, or nose. Even mild temperatures can feel uncomfortable. This is especially noticeable in air-conditioned environments or during the winter months. If you're always layering up or needing a blanket when others don't, it's time to take notice. Combine this sign with fatigue or weight gain, and the picture becomes clearer. Your thyroid might not be keeping up, and iodine could be to blame. 4. Visible swelling in the neck, goiter. Let's now talk about a more obvious but serious sign: a goiter, or swelling at the base of your neck. Your thyroid gland is located at the front of your neck, and when it doesn't receive enough iodine, it enlarges in an attempt to trap more of it from your bloodstream. This leads to a bulge or tight sensation in the throat. A goiter can be small and barely noticeable, or grow large enough to affect swallowing or breathing. Historically, goiters were extremely common until governments started adding iodine to salt. If you've switched to natural salts like Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, you might be missing out on iodine, unless you're getting it from other sources like seafood or supplements. What should you do? If you feel or see swelling in your neck, especially when swallowing, get your thyroid evaluated as soon as possible. Goiters can often be treated, especially if caught early. 5. Brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Feeling forgetful, scattered, or mentally slow lately? This could be more than just a bad day. It might be iodine-related brain fog. Thyroid hormones play a vital role in brain function, and when iodine is low, these hormones drop, affecting your ability to process thoughts, store memories, and concentrate. You may struggle to find words, lose your train of thought mid-sentence, or feel slower at problem-solving and decision-making. Over time, this cognitive decline can affect your work, studies, and relationships. This is especially risky during pregnancy and early childhood, when brain development depends heavily on iodine levels. To boost your mental clarity, ensure your diet includes iodine sources, and consider talking to your healthcare provider about testing your thyroid function if brain fog becomes chronic. 6. Hair thinning and hair loss. Now let's discuss an issue that affects confidence and self-image: thinning hair. If your hair has become noticeably thinner, especially around the scalp, crown, or eyebrows, iodine deficiency might be a factor. Iodine helps fuel thyroid hormones, which support healthy hair growth. Without them, hair follicles go into resting mode. That means more shedding and less regrowth. You might find more strands on your pillow, in the shower, or stuck in your brush. Women often notice eyebrow thinning on the outer edges, an early but telling sign of thyroid imbalance. Hair loss can be caused by many things, but if it's paired with fatigue, weight gain, or cold sensitivity, iodine could be the root cause. Add iodine-rich foods to your diet and get your hormone levels checked to support hair health from the inside out. 7. Irregular or heavy menstrual cycles. Last, but definitely not least, menstrual health. If you've experienced heavy, irregular, or unusually long periods, your thyroid and iodine levels could be involved. Your thyroid controls the balance of reproductive hormones. When it's underactive due to iodine deficiency, your cycle can become unpredictable or more intense. You might also experience worsened PMS symptoms, mood swings, and even fertility issues. For women of childbearing age, iodine is crucial. Deficiency during pregnancy can affect both the mother and baby, leading to complications like miscarriage or developmental delays. If your menstrual cycle has changed significantly and you've also noticed tiredness, cold sensitivity, or hair loss, it's wise to ask your doctor about a thyroid panel and iodine test. How to prevent iodine deficiency. Prevention is always better than treatment. Here's how you can stay ahead of iodine deficiency and keep your thyroid happy. 1. Use iodized salt in moderation. Store it in a sealed container away from heat and moisture to preserve the iodine. 2. Eat iodine-rich foods regularly, such as seaweed, kelp, nori shrimp, tuna, and cod dairy products, like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Whole eggs, especially the yolk 3. Check your supplements. Many multivitamins skip iodine, so always read the label. Look for supplements with 150 micrograms or more if your diet lacks iodine. 4. Pregnant or breastfeeding. Talk to your doctor. Your iodine needs are higher, and most prenatal vitamins should include it, but not all do. 5. Limit goitrogenic foods like raw cabbage, broccoli, and soy if you already have a thyroid issue. These can interfere with iodine uptake. Let's quickly recap the 7 warning signs of iodine deficiency. Ongoing fatigue, sudden, unexplained weight gain, feeling colder than usual, swelling in the neck or visible goiter, trouble focusing or memory lapses, thinning hair or unusual hair loss, menstrual irregularities or heavy periods. These signs may seem minor on their own, but together they can signal a deeper issue. Luckily, iodine deficiency is treatable, but only if you catch it in time. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it to help others who might be experiencing the same symptoms. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more health videos every week. Got questions or personal experiences with iodine or thyroid health? Drop them in the comments below. Your story could help someone else. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Catch you in the next one.